Hey, what's up, guys? I just received this wonderful big orange package. I know what it is because I can feel it. So let's get open. Gonna put the camera down for a sec. Okay, let's take a look inside. Pretty much the order, blah 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 blah, and whatever that is, the sticker. Put that over there, and voila. A wonderful cover. I kind of like the foil, actually. So WWE 13, and if you guys ask if this pops out, there's proof. It does. I really love it. Well, let's move that out of the way. And that. So PlayStation 3, PlayStation Network, WWE logo with kind of cool colors, THQ, and rated T for teen. Yeah. So on the side here, WWE 13, Austin 316 edition, THQ, one online, Bless, whatever that is. And so we got Stone Cold Steve Austin there, and the ATV. Well, you get the ATV edition, and the 2001 Red Skull multiplayer. Okay. Multiplayer leaderboards, lobbies, matchmaking, voice chat, The Austin 316 edition of WWE 13 includes WWE 13 video game, exclusive collectible card, art card, personal autograph by Stone Cold Steve Austin, bonus disc from Stone Cold Steve Austin, bottom line on the most popular superstar of all time, exclusive Stone Cold Steve Austin in-game attire, Red Skull t-shirt, whatever that says, 2001, exclusive Stone Cold Austin in-game ATV entrance. So you get unlock Iron Mike Tyson and Stone Cold collectible stuff, WWE 13 game, and Stone Cold Steve Austin disc number 3. What is it? 1 to 6 players. Network players 2 to 6. Requires 4.5 gigs of drive space. Requires 480p by 720p. It's compatible with DualShock 3. Broadband required. And Bluetooth headset. Oh yeah, that's not required. My bad. You can go to www.thq.com for the roster, stuff like that. For news on upcoming games. Ukes, Havoc, THQ, Dolby Digital, and Blu-ray disc. Give a thumbs up if you like the older games. Well, give us a thumbs up if you want to see the graphics of the WW12 and WW13 mixed with the older games like Shut Your Mouth, stuff like that. Games like that. Rated Teen. For blood, crude humor, vile language, violent suggestive themes, use of alcohol, and violence. So, and on this side, I already went through that. Okay. Okay. Let's bust open this tape. Man, I hate being right-handed sometimes. Okay, that'll be good enough. Okay. Hey, look. There's some on the bottom too? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there we go. Crap. Okay. And here's Stone Cold Steve Austin. Disc. I'm gonna set the camera down for a sec. Don't know why they had to put it in that. Well, there's CD right there. Not right there, but right there. Stone Cold Steve Austin. So disc number 3. Let's set that aside. Live the Revolution. And Stone Cold himself. I kind of like the new people like the new animations, like the new features. But I wish there was some more of the I Quit. Well, there's I Quit, but Buried Alive, ambulance matches, stuff like that. And I don't need to go through all that. So, in the cover, THQ. Nope, yeah, THQ right there. So let's grab the knife again. Okay. Okay, got it. Tough plastic. Oh, LOL. Wow. So there's the actual gameplay disc, and there's the hand-signed autograph. And this alone, by itself, is worth a lot of money. And so, if you guys are wanting to know how big the art card is, then pretty much take a regular PS3 or an Xbox thing, and that's how big it is. Just a little bit smaller, but yeah. But this is really freaking awesome. And the autograph does look legit, because you can still see some of the streak mark on the Sharpie that he used. So, yeah. So I just put that there. There's no extra space on the PS3 thing. We'll not show you that, but unlock Mike Tyson and stuff like that. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to show you the back because that has my online code. And yeah, don't want to give up. Again, the PS3 version of the disc. I'll close that up for a sec. WW13. So just the manual type thing. All the warnings, table of contents, getting started, accessing your online oh, there's an online manual. But here's the controls, and yeah. If you got used to WW12's controls, you really don't need this. So, thanks for watching, guys. Pretty much. I'm gonna zoom out for, well, stand up. Anyways, after so pretty much that's all you get that comes in that package. You get the disc, you get the foil, you get the Stone Cold Steve Austin disc, 4 or 3 depending on you got the PS3 or Xbox version. You got the somewhat of a manual, the online code for Steve Austin's shirt, ATV, and other stuff like that. And you got this really cool art for him. So, thanks, guys. See you next time.